So here we are in Ballintoy, and we're down here filming a promo for our upcoming production of Joseph Lawless.
Colin, you've played main character roles in big productions before. What led to you accepting the task of playing Joseph Lawless?
Yeah, of course, I've played Merlin in the BBC series Merlin. It was my first major casting in a series like that before, and it really challenged me to learn quickly and think about the character's emotions. Yeah, Damien approached me to play the character of Joseph Lawless, and everyone knows his work, such as La La Land and Whiplash. He's a great guy, great director, and he really got the best out of me in this production. To be completely honest with you, Damien had it sold on me from the get-go. I've grown up always in Northern Ireland, and Ballintoy is very local to me, and being on set just felt like home really, so I was completely sold on the idea.
Lawless is a historical film about the Irish Revolution set in the 1910s. How did you get into this mindset for the film?
Ever since I was a child, I've always understood the heritage behind Northern Ireland in particular, and the troubles behind it. This has really helped me get into character and really understand the backstories and the narrative behind this production. For me as an actor, the technique that I like to exploit throughout any production is method acting. It really gets the best out of me as an actor, and I really feel that I can portray the character. Particularly in this case with Joseph, as his story is really incredible. I've invested a lot of time in this to understand the conflict that he endured and really empathise with him. As this film was set in the 1910s, it's been an interesting experience to understand the context behind it. Simply from the costume design to the props, it's been an experience that I've really relished throughout. My hope for this production is to show the inner beauty of Northern Ireland.